Hey guys, today let's learn how to fix Spotify not playing a song. So in the case that you go ahead and launch the Spotify application and you try to play a song but it's not necessarily playing, in this video tutorial I'm going to teach you guys how to fix this issue step by step, so please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first in order for us to fix this issue is to basically double check if we are connected with a Bluetooth device. Now if you are connected with a Bluetooth device, it may be streaming the music to that device and not your speakers, so you gotta double check that as well. What we could also do is to go ahead and reset our Bluetooth, reset our Wi-Fi connections as well. So we could actually just go ahead and turn our Wi-Fi off and turn it back on again, or we could also try our cell data instead of our Wi-Fi and see which one between the two is gonna work better. And one last thing we could also do to solve this issue is to double check if we have the latest version of Spotify installed on our device. So I would like you guys to go ahead and search for the Spotify application on the App Store, and then I want you to check if you do have an update available. If you do have an update available, I would like you guys to proceed with updating your applications to the latest version so that bugs like this would be fixed and you were going to have the best user experience possible. And that's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.